Welcome to EBIS Technics, your trusted partner for all Tally products and services.
Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, we will look at the steps to upload vouchers directly from Tally Prime to GSTN portal at the click of a button. In Tally Prime 5.0, you can directly connect to the GSTN portal and upload transactions to update your GST returns. This will eliminate the export of JSON Excel CSV files and manual upload to the GSTN portal. All this can be achieved at the click of a button. You can send one transaction or all transactions on a periodic basis or at the end of the return period as convenient. A new menu option has been provided to help with the upload of vouchers for GST returns. Using this option, you can upload the vouchers not uploaded in GSTR1 and upload GSTR3B summary. Composite GST users can send CMP08 returns. To upload GSTR1 returns, press Alt+G. Type or select GSTR1 and press Enter. In the GSTR1 returns report, select the return period and GST registration for which you want to send the vouchers. You can see transactions pending for upload. Also, notice your last GST activity date and time. Since you are uploading for the first time, there is no past activity record. Press Alt+Z or click Exchange. Click Upload GST Returns. In the Upload GST Returns screen, select the vouchers you want to send to the GSTN portal using the space bar. In case you don't select any vouchers, all the vouchers with pending for upload status will be uploaded. Since you want to upload the vouchers directly, press S or click Send. Enter your GST username. You have to enter the username only once. Tally Prime will save the username and will not prompt you to enter it again. Click Send OTP and enter the OTP sent to the registered mobile number and email. The login session is active only for 6 hours. When you attempt to send vouchers after 6 hours, a new OTP will be sent to the registered number to help you log in again. You can see the status of data exchange with the GSTN portal. You can see the message once the upload is complete. All the vouchers that were uploaded will move to the No Action Required section. You can see your last online GST activity in the GSTR1 returns report. You do not have to open the respective return reports like GSTR1 to upload returns. You can use the Exchange menu option from anywhere. Press Alt+Z from the gateway of Tally or any other screen in Tally Prime and upload the GST returns. Similarly, you can upload GSTR3B and CMP08 returns online. As you saw, Tally Prime 5.0 allows you to directly upload your GST returns to the GSTN portal. The upload process is simple and secure. It can be done at the click of a single button. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl+F1 to learn how to complete the task.